read these passwords. Here are our 2 passwords. I'm going to use word parts that I know to help me read these passwords. B-U-T, but, T-E-R, ter. If I blend it together, butter. Our next word, F-O-L, fol. Oh, I see the word part low. I already know that word as a 3rd grader. I'm going to blend the 2 parts. Follow, follow. After reading our passwords, we're now going to set up our purpose as readers today. I can identify closed syllables to help break words into the correct syllables. So let's look at these words on our screen to find out what that means. All right, 3rd graders, listen very closely. There's a trick. Closed syllables means that a vowel is being hugged by consonants. So a vowel is an A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y. A consonant is any other letter in the alphabet that's not a vowel. And if those consonants are hugging a vowel, then you have a short vowel sound. And that trick can help us to read words. So this first one has been done for us. I see a vowel, and I see a vowel. Now, notice this vowel is surrounded by consonants. There's no vowel, consonant, vowel. It's vowel, consonant, consonant. And this vowel is surrounded by consonants. There's no magic E at the end, and there's no other vowel helping it say its name. So now as a reader, I know that trick that if my vowel is being hugged by consonants, it's going to make that short vowel sound, closed syllable. Now, remember our purpose is to look at the closed syllable and break the word into syllables. So here's a neat trick. If 2 consonants are next to each other in a word, most of the time we can break the word between the double consonants, between the 2 consonants. Let's try that. Basket, basket, basket. So in my first syllable, I have bas. In my second syllable, I have kit. So I can break these 2 words apart between these 2 consonants. Lesson. Look at here. I see 2 consonants together right in the middle of the word. Let's clap that word and see if we can break the word apart in between both consonants. Lesson. Lesson. I want to erase that first break that I made. Now I have a vowel being hugged by 2 consonants and another vowel being hugged by 2 consonants. So those vowels are going to make a short vowel sound. Let's look at our next word. Problem, problem. And I see 2 consonants right next to each other. So remember, most of the time I can break a word apart in between 2 consonants. Let's see if that matches. Problem. Here's the vowel O being hugged by the consonants. Here's the vowel E being hugged by the consonants. Let's do one more together, and then you have this game on your Reading Wonders backpack. It's not under the to-do, it's under the games section. Oh, this was our password. Where do you think that we could break the word apart? Do you see 2 consonants right next to each other? Does that match your thinking? Now remember, here's our vowel O. It's being hugged by those consonants, so it's a closed syllable. It makes a short vowel sound. Foul. Now this second syllable has a different pattern, O-W. That W makes the O say its name. Follow. Follow. All right, third graders, it's your turn to complete this word work on your Reading Wonders backpack when you're completely done with this mini lesson. So we're going to move on to our next word work purpose. Here is our last purpose for word work today. I can identify the root word. Again, identifying root words, that will help us when we are trying to determine the meaning of unknown words. This is when you look inside of a word. Today, to identify the root word, we're going to look at two words that are related. And they're related because they have the same root word. Number one, telephone and phonograph. We want to think, what do these two words have in common? How are they related? What is the root word? Phone. Let's look at number two. These two words are related because they have the same root word. Let's see if we can identify it. Thoughtful, thoughtless. What do you think the root word is? Let's check your thinking. Thought. And our last two related words, autograph and biography. This one's a little trickier. What two root words do these related words have in common? Graph. Okay, third graders, we just met our purpose. I can identify the root word. You will complete that Reading Wonders backpack, that workbook page in your Reading Wonders backpack. Good luck.